The Narcotics Control Bureau issued summons on Wednesday to actors Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Rakulpreet Singh in the Bollywood drug nexus case that has emerged after the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Actor Sara Ali Khan was seen at Goa airport on 24 September, leaving to Mumbai. When Sara Ali Khan landed in Mumbai, media person left no way out for Sara. As you can see in the video, Sara tries to come out of the airport, but at the exit, media in large number leave no way out for Sara. Deepika Padukone, who was in Goa for shoot, has also left from her resort to leave for Mumbai. She will be questioned by the NCB tomorrow in Colaba. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.